Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
And shrubs, maintenance-wise, compared to, other landscape items, I mean, is there a lot of pruning required? Do I need to get a hedger to keep up? Or you're laughing.
Well, so that really is a kind of a complicated question to me. It's like, again, what do you want your landscape to look like? And if you want a very manicured, neat, tidy looking landscape, then it's going to take more pruning and more raking and blowing and cleaning and all that sort of thing. It also depends on how you want to. A lot of the reason that we over prune, especially in commercial landscapes, is because we overplant. Now, this is from somebody has been in the plant business, and talk about selling plants, is how we make money. But if you plant too many plants, you're going to have to be forced to prune it more to keep it. Right. Or if you plant, really it's the right plant in the right place. If you have the right plant in the right place, it's not going to take near the maintenance to keep it looking like it should look. And technically, a shrub or a tree properly placed and planted would require very little, if any, pruning.
Right.
Now, it's hard to find something that, just you have the perfect spot and the perfect size. But people have to keep in mind how big it's going to get unpruned and put it in the right spot. If you do that, then you virtually are no pruning. But, there again, that's easier said than done sometimes. And so the one thing that people need to quit doing is constant shearing. If you would remember that a plant will really replace itself by about a third every year, if you, every spring, basically, pruned the plant heavily by at least a third, then it would get back to about that size before it needed pruned again. And you wouldn't have to be just constantly taking an inch or two off of it and shearing the plant, which shortens the life of the plant. You're always taking the new growth off of the plant. And that's hard on them. It's not a good practice, and it shortens the life of the plant. It makes it less appealing in time. You cut off all the blooms, all that sort of thing. So prune heavily and prune less often.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.